Welcome to Elgin Valley, a breathtaking haven nestled in the heart of South Africa's Western Cape. Known for its lush landscapes, serene reservoirs, and fertile farmlands, Elgin Valley is a picturescape that captivates the soul. Begin your journey with panoramic views of sprawling farmlands, framed by the majestic Lowry's Pass, a gateway to this enchanting valley. Passing along the N2, the glistening waters of the Steenbras Dam Reservoir offer a moment of serene beauty amidst the rugged terrain. Towering pine trees dominate the landscape, creating a dense canopy that whispers in the breeze, a hallmark of Elgin's natural charm. The patchwork of farmlands stretches endlessly, a testament to the valley's agricultural legacy. Home to some of the finest vineyards, the wine farms of Elgin are where tradition meets innovation, producing world-class wines. Known as the apple capital, the valley's orchards burst with color and life, offering a glimpse into its rich heritage. Get a closer look at the intricate beauty of pine trees. From their seedlings to their cones, each telling a story of growth and resilience. Peer through the pines to find tranquil waters. Bordered by vibrant wildflowers and sprawling farmlands. Willow trees dance gracefully in the sunlight, their branches swaying in harmony with the valley's gentle winds. An old boat rests peacefully beneath a willow tree. a quiet reminder of life's slower rhythms along the reservoir's shore. From the deck, take in sweeping views of the surrounding farms, a sight of pure serenity. Delicate water lilies float gracefully. Their blooms a vibrant contrast against the tranquil waters. Spot the blue lily. Its petals glistening like gems in the sunlight. Sprinklers spin in synchronized motion, nurturing the fertile soils that sustain the valley's abundance. The stately cypress trees bear fruit, adding a touch of timeless elegance to the valley's diverse ecosystem. Acacia trees, adorned with golden flowers and protective thorns. Embody the resilience and beauty of this rugged terrain. The Corymbia fusifolia is a soft pink blossom that stands out vividly against the greenery, adding a delicate yet striking charm to the landscape. These blooms are a magnet for bees, which hum tirelessly as they pollinate and sustain the valley's vibrant ecosystem. A closer look reveals the intricate petals and glistening nectar drops, each flower radiating natural elegance. The rugged bark provides a beautiful contrast to the delicate pink flowers, making the Corymbia fusifolia a true symbol of life and beauty in this tranquil valley. The bark of ancient trees tells stories through its textured layers. Adorned with moss and delicate shield lichen. Orchids of pear trees stand laden with their fruit. Their sweet bounty, a gift of the valley's fertile land. We conclude our journey with a breathtaking time-lapse of the Elgin Valley's night sky. As the moon and clouds perform a celestial dance, leaving you in awe of nature's wonders.